What's up, you guys? Eddie at Fliptroniks. I'm going to be showing you the best VPN service to use for multiple devices. All right, so VPNs are great if you want more privacy, having Google not be able to track you, if you want to access restricted websites not available in your country, and then, of course, the third one and my favorite is if you download torrents and movies and things you're not supposed to and you don't want to get flagged. Okay, anyways, the one I'm going to be showing everybody is, the service I've been using for the last 2 years. It's ExpressVPN. Now, this is the #1 VPN on the internet, mainly because it's super reliable. It always works. It's got blazing fast speeds. And what's awesome about it is that you can use one account for multiple devices. Okay, so for example, let's say, like, I'm going to show everybody right here. I've got, an iPhone and an Android phone here, but you can use one account for an iPhone, Android, a tablet, a Mac, PC, whatever you want to use it for, you can do that. Now, the thing about it is that this is not a free service. I've mentioned in the past, it's like $8 or $9 a month, but, I just look at it like having to pay a Netflix subscription. I'm constantly in need of a VPN because I'm always downloading things, and I really just don't want to get flagged or have to deal with my, service provider saying something to me. Anyways, I'm going to log into it. I'm going to show everybody how it works, but what's awesome about it is that it's literally with the click of a button, you turn this thing on and you're good to go. And the setup pretty much looks the same whether, you're using like I said, an iPhone or an Android phone. It's going to look the same on like a desktop. All right, anyways, I'm going to get in on here, and then I'm going to load it up on this Galaxy S8 so we can get it going at the same time. So when you log into it, all you have to do is literally click this button. You can actually choose the location you want to show up in, which is cool too. All right, so let's get up in here. All right, so let's turn it on both ways here. All right, cool. So I've got this VPN turned on, and I'm pretty much good to go. And like I said, you can choose the location right here, which will, just kind of throw things off and give you a completely random IP. But, this service is, just my go-to. It's the one, like I said, I've been using for a couple of years now. And while it's not free, I definitely think that it's reliable. So if you try to get something maybe free, a lot of the time I've messed around with free VPNs. I always find that they, come with viruses and ads and all kinds of crap that I don't want to deal with. And what is like $8 or $9 a month? It's literally nothing. So anyways, if you're looking for like the best VPN service to use on multiple devices, ExpressVPN is where it's at. All right, so I'll have a link in the description for them if you want to check them out. Anybody out there who is not subscribed, please hit that subscribe, and we'll see you guys later.